Hello everyone. Today let's try to solve the problem of this YAMAHA PSR E403 digital keyboard. Down. Customer says some keys are not working. So let's see. This key is not working. See, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So let's disassemble it and clean it. First of all, turn it off, remove the connection. Turn the keyboard upside down. We'll have to remove all these screws. Just remove all the key screws. There is no screw here. Maybe customer has already tried repairing it. Here these screws are different. The top side here, this place, here in this place the screws are different, and here the long screws. So just remember which screw needs to be fixed where. On the front there are only two screws. Here we go. So now for cleaning the keyboard, All these screws are of same length. I've got one more screw here. There are locks, just put them. This way. Just pull it from here. Just press these locks inside. Hope it's visible. Press these two locks inside. Pull it. Pull this one upwards. Push it in the front. In this way. Push it and then pull it upwards. Press these two locks. Push it and pull it upwards. Only this one. In this one, I'll show you. Okay, this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4th key. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4th one. This 4th one is not working properly. What I'll do is, there is a soft coating on that, dust coating. I'll just try to remove it by using this. So let me switch on the light. So now fourth one. This is the 4th. Hope it's visible clearly. As you can see, the shining marks. Just don't be too harsh, just gently. Just take a microfiber cloth, just clean them. Be gentle, see that they are not damaged, and clean the part here as well. Now let me fix it. And see that as I clean them with the soft small pin, be careful that these rubber pads are not damaged. Do it gently. Just we need to, as you can see here also, there is some shining lines. Just we need to clean those. Maybe there is a dust formation on those pads, the lines, and we need to clean them. So do it gently with a soft pin, not too sharp, not too blunt. Just we need to roughen the surface, that's all. Just remove the coating of dust and it will work fine. Or else what you can do is you can purchase the pads. So you can purchase the pads online or in any of the Yamaha showroom if they are service centers, if they are giving it out for sale. Or you can just get one from an dead keyboard and use it. So now we will fix the keys back into their places. If you wish, you can remove all the pads once and clean the surface. See that you will not use any chemical for doing so. If you use any chemical, then there are chances that the tracks will be wiped, the carbon tracks will be wiped out and the PCB need to be replaced. So do not use any chemicals, just do the cleaning with the dry. Just press it here. here the lock should coincide. Here you see in between. Here you see two key set of keys. Here this one should lock into this here in this way. So one. Press it gently. Press it. Press it gently. Now the last one. So now switch it off. Okay, now the keys are working fine. See, now the touch sensing is on easy. Now the touch sensing is also working fine. Now as it is working fine, so we will just turn it off. Remove the power cord. I have also already removed. Turn it upside down. Fix all the screws. Here, one here, two, and others here. These lengthy screws are for the middle row, and small screws are for the surrounding edges. Here, this here and front. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the some keys not working problem of your YAMAHA PSR E403 digital keyboard. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.